Okay, let's go. That's it for us today. And yeah, guys, today we already went to Stanley, came here around at Stubbs Road, flew our drone, and quite happy with the footage that we have. Very happy actually. And look, I can't wait to see the footage that we have. I'll be sharing the photos and video photos first in Instagram, and make sure you follow me in Instagram at Day2dayadventure. Also in my personal Instagram, Kenexabadia. But guys, I'm so happy that we got those the footage and photos. Anyway, I'll be sharing those soon, or maybe I'll be sharing here in the video. And the guy that was Dan McShane. You already know him. And yeah, we're going home. We're done for today. I have another